Hello, trading is closed on June 29th, 2017. Let's go over yesterday's calls. I wanted a daily pattern with an early low and a high around lunchtime. That's early for the lunchtime high, but it's within the parameters of the system. I think tomorrow's pattern should have an early high and a late low. The early high typically is either 1 or 2 hours after the open, but it can be right from the open. The day tends to have a negative bent to it, with a low in the final hour of trading, and on a Friday it might even go all the way into the close, although it doesn't have to. We said that I would prefer that this number not print in real time, even though it was printing in futures, because MEJT typically leaves a failed target at major changes in trend. We said if we did not gap over this high, that lower prices should print. The basic idea was that we would fill the hole in the wall gap, undercut the low of the wall, and find support at that price. The trouble with this high, as we've said, is that we undercut prior highs immediately, and in 7 days of trying, could not close over these prior highs. We now have the opposite. We finally closed under these prior lows. We finally satisfied the target of this low falling, but we could not close under these prior lows. This spike here has to be undercut at some point, but it would have made a lot clearer picture had we closed under 24.15.70. Now futures are up as I'm recording this, but often the subsequent day's open acts as a surrogate for today's close. It would certainly make the picture a lot clearer if we gapped under this price tomorrow. And of course, if we gapped under this, it means the whole recovery is false and the party's over. I think that's too tall an order for me, but you never know. We do have considerable support at today's low. There are any number of ways in which this can be counted. C looks impulsive. It's probably a 5-wave pattern, even though I can count it as a 3. If that's end of wave black C, it may truncate because of the Fibonacci relationship between C and A. So this could be 4 and then 5 down. In addition to support from this Fibonacci business, it's also a Fibonacci retracement of the move from the April low to the all-time high. So for tomorrow, I'm looking for a day with an early high and a late low. We are close to getting the reversal confirmation that we need. We did get it because we didn't close low enough today, but if we trade low enough tomorrow and confirm it Monday, that would be the confirmation I'm looking for that the top's in. These are the numbers. I'm hoping we'll see this one. If we see this one, I think it's a good short, and that's today's call.